For the repair of the C&A Differential Pressure Transmitters DPT-250, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we add some pressurized air as power supply and as input signal. By manipulating the input signal, the unit responds accordingly, and we can see the output signal on the water columns. The same process is repeated for the second transmitter. It is now clear that both transmitters are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.